we are. Eat one each. Then after we get our wands, we're gonna either have a showdown in Ollivanders where we get our wands, or we're gonna be in the Three Broomsticks, have an argument, and we're gonna have like a showdown. We're just gonna go, and we're gonna have like a big battle, and it's gonna be insane. It'll be cool. And then it's gonna be a tie, because either Anna and I are gonna go both Avada Kedavra, or we're gonna both go Expelliarmus at the same time. It's gonna, like, Avada Kedavra will go, and then it'll be a big explosion, or Expelliarmus will disarm both of us, and then we both fly backwards. And then we'll just go like this, and then we'll pretend to give up, but I'll knee Anna, and then I'll pick up both of the wands, and I'll smash her against the side of the castle, and then she'll go on the head on Buckbeak, and she'll die, because she'll turn into one of the things that Buckbeak eats, and then she will, like, die. Calm down, dude. Stuff. Is that on video?